Welcome to Spirit Shack. This is our ghost hunting robot. It was designed as a kid's toy, so it does have different modes, dance modes and different features for kids. But there's one mode that will actually work for ghost hunting, and that's because that mode uses motion sensors. There's motion sensors in the front, back and sides, and how it works is you can control the robot by doing hand gestures in front of it. So if you like swipe left, it'll turn left. If you swipe right, it'll swipe right. Yeah, I think if you put your hand in front of it, it goes backwards. So basically, when it's in that mode, obviously you can trigger it with your hand, but also so can spirits. So that's how we use it in ghost hunting. You can ask the spirits to move the robot, walk around it or move the hands in front of it, and it works quite well. So I'll just give you a really quick example. So the power switch is on the back. By default, the light's blue. That is the motion sensor mode. So it should only start moving if I do hand gestures around it. Like that, it shouldn't be doing that on its own. It only moves when the hand gestures are done. But we've got over 100 haunted items in this house now, and we've obviously got spirits. So that shouldn't be moving at all. Thank you, spirits. So that's the product in action. Yeah, we have done some really cool tests. We've actually took it to an empty place, a really big building, and I walked away from the robot pretty far enough away that the sensors couldn't even detect me. And I asked the spirits to bring the robot to me, and yeah, it navigated it all the way to me. Yeah, really interesting. So if you want one of these, I'll leave the link in the video description, and thanks for watching.